how to find out if someone has added you back on Snapchat. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me, Pipin Bisnal, and today I'll guide you on how you can find out if someone has added you back on Snapchat. Now, as you know, on Snapchat, if you add someone, then they'll automatically pop up on your chat list. Now you won't be able to see, or you won't be able to know if they have added you back or not. But there is a quick trick on how you can find it out. You can simply open up Snapchat application, and then you want to tap on the profile icon at the top left corner of your screen. Once here, you want to scroll down and you want to head into my friends option, and here now on the my friends list, you can head over to their name section, and you can see if they have added you, their name will show up there. So this way you can find out if someone has added you back on Snapchat or not. Now, there is no any other way. The other way around is if you open up the chat list, it'll show that you have added them, but it won't show that you are friend with them. Now it's a bit confusing, so you can simply head into the friend list options and see if their name is there to see if they have added you back. So this way, hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.